Hey everybody, Rachel Caskey from Rachel Caskey Art, and I participated in the Pittsburgh Gallery Crawl through the Pittsburgh Cultural Trust in downtown Pittsburgh in the Arts Building, and I had such a great time. It was an awesome group of women from the Collage Collective as well as the Confluence arts groups. It was a combined show of female artists, and here's a picture of my booth. So you can see some of the items I was selling there. And I'll show you a couple of the large pieces that I brought as well. This is one of my large pieces called Unveiled. It was at the back of the room, so when you came in you could see it along with my other large painting. And this piece is Owl, Always Love You. People really loved this piece. I saw a mom with her son take a selfie in front of it. I saw multiple people taking pictures of it. They seemed to really enjoy this painting. So I had those two large ones and then my paintings and prints at my booth. So as you can see here, I had one of my abstract paintings right here. This one's the Queen's Gambit. This is my new, my more recent whimsical piece, and it was framed. My neighbor was so awesome to frame it for me. He created this floating frame. So thank you for that. And I had some really awesome artists right next to me. Charlotte Yano, her pieces are right here. She's a collage artist. You should definitely check her out. I'll share a picture of her here as well. Let me pull that up for you. This is me and Charlotte. At the end of the show, we decided to do an art swap. So she got a painting of a dragonfly saying blessings on it, and I swapped that with her dragonfly collage, which I really liked a lot. I'm looking forward to hanging that in my living room with my other art. But again, her name is Charlotte Yano, Y-A-N-O. So I sold a handful of my smaller pieces on paper, like this size. I brought these to the show as well. Let me see. And I had some smaller originals as well, like this one. This is on a wood panel. This is called Perched in Color. And I also took, let me fix this here one. I also took along these paintings I did on canvas board. And I brought along some art prints on 8x10 size. I sold those for about one for $25 or two for $40. So these are prints of my originals. Flowers. Some of these are horizontal. There we go. But you get the idea. And then I also sold a good bit of my mini art prints of my originals. These I was selling in a card turnstile for 1 for $10 or buy 2 get 1 free, or basically 3 for $20. I have some digital art mixed in with these, and then most of these are of my original acrylic or mixed media paintings. This one's a digital piece. This is another digital piece. So yeah, I sold quite a bit of these as well. And then at the end, almost 10 minutes before the end of the show, I got a new customer who was interested in purchasing my Unveiled painting, that large one I showed you earlier. So I'll show you that picture with that customer. So here I am with my new customer he was very excited about this piece. He was looking at this one or the Queen's Gambit, the one I showed you earlier with the yellows and purples in it, but he ultimately decided to purchase this one for his apartment. So I'm super excited for him. It's so neat to see people connect with my artwork, yeah, so it was an awesome show all around. Highly recommend it to any artists who plan to participate in the future. Yeah, so I look forward to participating in some new shows. I'm looking for some new shows to be a vendor at. So if you know of any, please feel free to drop some information in the comments below. And just if you want to continue watching my art journey, please follow me, and I'd love to follow some other artists on here as well, and meet up or talk to other artists, because I feel like that community is so important. I want to thank those who put together this show, Jen and Oreen. I want to thank the other artists who were so welcoming to me. I can talk today. And you know who you are. Thank you so much. I hope to do more shows with them as well. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.